The 2026 Mecum Kissimmee auction promises to be a spectacular showcase of automotive history, featuring thousands of classic cars that will capture the attention of collectors and enthusiasts alike. Among the muscle cars and golden era icons, one standout is the 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta, a rare special edition convertible that is as unique as it is elegant. While the Fiesta name is often associated with 88-based station wagons, its original debut in 1953 was on a slightly longer 98 platform, creating a luxurious and performance-oriented drop-top that captured the imagination of car enthusiasts. The 1953 Fiesta was part of a trio of special convertibles designed to highlight General Motors' design prowess alongside the Cadillac Series 62 Eldorado and the Buick Roadmaster Skylark. What set the Fiesta apart was its refined styling and attention to detail. Compared to the standard 98 convertible, the Fiesta featured a lowered belt line, a wraparound windshield that enhanced its sleek profile, and distinct spinner hubcaps that added a touch of sophistication. Inside, the car came fully loaded with all available Oldsmobile options except for air conditioning, ensuring that every ride was as luxurious as it was smooth. Under the hood, the Fiesta packed a 303 cubic inch rocket V8, similar to the standard 98, but with a slightly higher compression ratio that boosted output from 160 to 170 horsepower. Power flowed to the rear wheels through a 4-speed hydromatic automatic transmission, offering both performance and comfort. However, unlike its counterparts, Eldorado and Skylark, the Fiesta was produced for only a single year, making it the rarest of the trio. Priced at $5,715 in 1953, nearly $70,000 in today's terms, it was double the cost of a standard 98 convertible, resulting in just 458 units sold. The Kissimmee auction example is a flawless frame-off restoration that remains true to factory specifications. Its Code 10 black exterior, paired with a Code 99 black and ivory interior, makes it the only black Fiesta known to exist, elevating its rarity and desirability. The car has earned multiple awards over the years for its meticulous restoration and authenticity. With around 40 Oldsmobiles expected to cross the block at the 2026 auction, the Black Fiesta is poised to be one of the most expensive, potentially reaching 6 figures. Historically, only about 20 Fiestas have surpassed $100,000 at auction, with 4 reaching over $200,000. This one-off black example previously sold for $209,000 in 2015, though it has since been outshined by an ivory and red Fiesta at $247,500. Now, collectors will be watching closely to see if this singular black drop-top can reclaim a record, potentially exceeding $253,000 and becoming the most expensive 98 ever sold. The gavel is set to fall on January 16th, and all eyes will be on this iconic piece of automotive history.